In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Photoshop's memory with the purge command. If Photoshop has started to feel a bit sluggish, or you've been working with lots of large images and heavy edits, a quick purge can free up memory and help things feel snappier. This process clears temporary data Photoshop holds in memory during your session, and it's designed to be safe for your saved files. Start by opening Photoshop. Once it's up and running, head to the top menu bar and choose Edit. Then look for the option called Purge. When you hover over Purge, you'll see a small list of items you can clear: clipboard, histories, and all. Here's what those mean. Clipboard is anything you've copied inside Photoshop. Think copied layers, selections, or pasted content that's waiting to be used. Histories refers to your undo history, the list of actions that lets you step backward through changes. And all is the catch-all choice that clears both of these in one go. For a complete cleanup, select all. This is the simplest and most thorough way to release memory quickly. When you choose all, Photoshop will prompt you to confirm. Go ahead and accept the prompt. After that, Photoshop immediately clears those temporary items from memory. A few important notes to keep you confident while doing this. First, purging does not delete your saved documents or overwrite your files on disk. Your actual work remains where you saved it. What it does remove are temporary items, your clipboard contents, and your undo history. That means once you purge, you won't be able to step back through previous edits using the history panel. If you're in the middle of something and you know you might want to undo, be sure you're happy with your current state. Before confirming, you might notice that complex documents become more responsive right away, especially if you've been copying large elements or stacking lots of adjustments and experimenting with many undos. It's a quick way to reclaim memory without closing your project. A couple of practical tips: use purge when performance dips, after heavy copying, or when your history has grown long and you're confident about your current edits. You don't need to do this constantly. Think of it as an occasional tune-up during intensive sessions. Also, remember that this targets memory used by clipboard and history data. If you're looking to manage disk space or scratch disk usage, that's a different area of Photoshop settings. And that's it. Open Photoshop, go to Edit, choose Purge, pick all, and confirm. A simple, effective way to clear